Motorola G60. And if you want to buy a mobile under 18,000, then this mobile is for you, because I'm going to explain what are the features of this mobile and how it helpful for you. So first of all, this mobile comes with a 6.78 all nearly 6.8 inches of full HD plus resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 certified IPS LCD display, which was protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And for the processor, this mobile comes with a decent processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. So this is the same processor which was used in Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. And this is a octa-core processor, 4G processor. It is a 8nm base processor, clocking speed at 2.3 GHz. And this mobile will be available in only one variant, that is a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. But what's the biggest thing is this mobile comes with a hybrid SIM slot, so that you can expand the memory of this mobile. And when we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with a triple cameras, but those are monstrous cameras at this price range. 108 megapixels of main wide angle and 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide and 2 megapixels of depth camera. So we can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS with this mobile's back camera. And for the front facing selfie camera, this mobile comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and we can also shoot up to 1080p 30 fps with this front camera. And to power up this machine, we need a bigger battery. When we talk about the battery, this mobile comes with a huge amount of battery, that is a 6000 milliamp hours of battery, and it also supports 20 watts of fast charge. And in that too, this mobile comes with a 20 watts fast charger and cable, and also included in the box with this mobile, so there is a plus point. And this mobile comes with a back rear mounted fingerprint scanner, and this mobile comes with a loudspeaker, not stereo. And this mobile also got the 3.5mm jack, and this mobile has the splash resistant, not water resistant like IP68 and water like that. No, this mobile can survive a little amount of water splashes. And this mobile comes with a Android version 11 out of the box, and it runs on Motorola UI. I don't know what that UI is. And this mobile will be available in two colors. This mobile was priced at 17,999 rupees, almost 18,000 rupees. So this mobile was available to buy at Flipkart. I will leave the link in the description box down below. And this mobile will be available in two colors. And at that price range of 18,000 rupees, I think this is the best mobile at that price range. And we have also another mobile at that price range, that is Poco X3 Pro, 1000 higher I think. So this is about the video, and that's it for the video.